Hey guys, working on a 2008 Chevy Equinox with the 3.4 engine, not the 3.6, 3.4 V6, and we're having a starting issue. Came up to a location, click, and eventually the customer said that she just started hearing smoke. So you just seen there, it's not working. We get it out, we might be able to test it too, but first things first, peel this back. Gonna lay this to the side, not putting stress on that wire. Pull this up, and we're going to disconnect our ground wire right here. This should be a 10 mil. It's actually stripped right here, so that's exciting to know. I'm also going to disconnect this. You don't have to disconnect the power, but I'm going to do it, of course. Oh my goodness, these are so tight. Holy moly. What was this person doing? These things are like, they're all so tight it's not even funny. Alright, starter is down here. This car doesn't really need to be jacked up all the way, but you can jack it up just a little bit so you can get under here. Right there is what I jacked it up at. And it is located first thing when you look under here. So it's a good spot to look at your new starter and see what we have to remove. There's one bolt here, and we have a bolt or two and an electrical connector right here. Let's get started. We're gonna start by removing this little shield cover right here, the 8 mil. Pull that little shield cover out, put that to the side. The connector is right here. It's simply, you just lift up on it, push up on it, and it pulls out. And our power wire is the top. It is a 13 mil. Okay. And then pull that forward. Okay, they overlap over top of each other. I need to keep a reminder of that, how those go back on. And with that cover off, there are two 15 millimeters. You can slide it right through this bracket right here. 15 mil. And that drops down. Just like that, she's out. Okay, we're just gonna simply hit up these with a little wire brush on the electrical connectors. We want that as clean as possible. The red goes behind, the blue goes in front. Rip that tape off. Good. And we're going to, it goes in like this. This is our top nut right here. This is the only thing we touch with a washer on it. So nice big washer too. I mean, nice big nut, pause, and washer. So I'm just gonna put this up in there, just like that. Just like that. I can feel it. Okay, cool. Now, before I tighten that down, I'm just gonna make sure I can get these in position. And that's it. Notice I'm not killing that at all. Electrical sensor right here. And we are fully seated. Okay, good. Yep, we're fully seated. Now I'm gonna snug these down. That's it. No need to destroy them. Good. And then put this cover back over top. Just like that. Important to put that cover back. You don't want stuff flying where the flywheel is. That's it. Alright. All I will tell you is do not mix this blue and red wire with this right here. You see it's like this metal thing that connects to the motor. Do not mix those. If you do that, this thing will just keep spinning and burn out. I've done that before way back in the day. And this connector, just make sure it's all the way on, and the little groove piece is snapped over top. So now we can go and try and start it. And just to show you guys, I'm running a battery. I'm running my jumper cables up on the up in the battery in the car. I have the ground right here disconnected to the body of the starter. I'm gonna touch this lead right here, which should make this come out. Let's see what happens. Nothing. All right, I'm gonna put it on here, which is the starter motor. Let's see what happens. I was getting a little bit of juice, and I seen it start smoking. Nothing. But as you can see, you'll start seeing a little bit of smoke. This thing is dead. It has no more life left in it. So let's take these off now. I might get a little spark here. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. And I'm just gonna snug this down. Just to show, do not destroy these. You can break the tensioner on them. That's plenty. Look at that. That thing ain't moving in there. Perfect. Alright, just gonna, she goes like this. Yeah. On. And this box just snaps into place. Alright, let's go inside the car. Let's fire it up. Let's see what happens.